Raila Odinga was one of Kenya's most influential political figures, a man who spent decades fighting for democracy and justice. Born in 1945, he was the son of Kenya's first vice president, Jaramogi Odinga. For over 40 years, Raila Odinga was a symbol of opposition politics. A man who endured imprisonment, election battles, and exile. He served as Prime Minister of Kenya from 2008 to 2013, and he ran for the seat of president several times, becoming one of Africa's most recognized voices for democracy. On October 15, 2025, Raila Odinga died in India, reportedly from cardiac arrest while receiving medical treatment. His body was flown home to Nairobi, where thousands of supporters were waiting to receive him. Some tried to push through restricted areas. The police struggled to control the surge. Tear gas was fired and chaos followed. According to Reuters and AP News, at least 4 people were confirmed dead during the disturbance. The government condemned the violence and promised tighter security for the upcoming funeral, organized to honor Odinga's lifelong contribution to Kenya's democracy. He was a freedom fighter, a reformer, and a leader who helped to shape Kenya's political history. In death, as in life, Raila Odinga brought people together, in grief, in unity, and in memory of the change he fought for.
When the nights are gay and the sun shines daily on the mountain top, I took a trip on a sailing ship, and when I reached India, I made a stop, but I'm sad to say I'm on my way. Won't be back for many a day. My heart is down, my head is turning around. I had to leave a little girl in Bondo town.